The 21st century is a time of revolutionary changes in the field of science and new technologies. At the same time, according to the research of the RAND Corporation Global Technological Revolution 2020, there are no signs that the pace of progress in the above-mentioned areas will slow down in the next decade and a half. Let's briefly recall what discoveries have been made by world scientists over the past decade. Higgs boson, the mechanism of autophagy, metallic hydrogen, quantum computers, homonality, an android robot with living muscles. And this is only a small part of what scientific thought was achieved. Scientific discoveries in fundamental and applied fields, as well as new technologies in advanced countries, are a factor of economic growth and prosperity. That's why the president of Kazakhstan, Nursultan Nazarbayev, initiated two programs of industrial and innovative development, announced the third wave of modernization. Figuratively speaking, this is the gilding star towards which our economy should head. The final point of the road is high-quality economic growth and the working model of industrial and technological modernization in the context of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. This task cannot be solved until Kazakhstani science takes its proper positions. In the meantime, let's try to figure out the state of the scientific sphere in Kazakhstan today. I consider skeptical attitude to science in our country unjustified. Our scientists make, albeit a small but significant contribution to the world treasury of scientific achievements. Suffice it to name those that can have a serious economic effect. Kazakhstan alloy, a new material ferrosilicon aluminum created at the Scientific Center for the Complex Processing of Mineral Raw Materials, significantly improves the properties of steel and has great prospects in non-ferrous and ferrous metallurgy and mechanical engineering. Beryllium extraction technology. Scientists Kaznu, named after Al-Farabi, found the possibility of eliminating the high-temperature process, which is accompanied by the release of toxic gases and requires large energy consumption, and the use of expensive refractory equipment for metal melting. On the basis of the introduction of new technologies, it was possible to obtain more than 150 new types of products from beryllium oxide with unique electrophysical chemical properties. These products are already exported to defense enterprises of the military-industrial complex of Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Israel. The leading countries of the world, the USA, China, India, etc., are showing interest in introducing the development as their own enterprises. Hoop ring, an invention with the participation of a researcher from Kazakhstan, Damir Miktebayeva. The hoop diagnostic ring is able to painlessly draw blood from a person and automatically check it for the most common infectious diseases. Humintic, composite fertilizer with a flexible formula when the composition is regulated by increasing the proportion of certain macronutrients. It can bind to water and give it to plants during dry periods. The authors of the invention are scientists from the Institute of Organic Synthesis and Coal Chemistry, headed by Professor Serik Fazilov. In the end, I want to say that Kazakhstan has a lot of prospects. However, without the right approach for the development of science, Kazakhstan will simply waste its resources. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and press like and write some comments. Was this video interesting or not? What do you think about Kazakhstan science and etc. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon.